chapter, I would like to tell you that in the olden days, people were not having the units of measurements. So, they measure the things with their body parts. So, in this video, we will learn to measure the things with our body parts.
So, we are going to measure the things by using our handspan. Now, what is handspan? Handspan means the gap between the tip of your thumb to the tip of your little finger. So, now we are going to measure the length of this table by using our handspan. Now, let's start measuring. To measure the table with your handspan, you have to keep your thumb at one end of the table and stretch your little finger as much as you can. Again, bring the thumb closer to the little finger and stretch the little finger. Continue the process until you reach to the end of the table. Now, let's start measuring the table. This is one handspan, 2, 3, and 4. So we can say that this table, the length of this table is 4 handspans. Now let us measure the distance between the two walls of our indoor stadium from one edge to other edge with our foot span. Now what is foot span? Foot span means the portion between your toe to your heel. To measure with the foot span, you have to make sure that your heels should touch the wall. And when you are taking the next step, the heel of your other feet should touch the toe. You are not supposed to keep any distance between your steps. This is how you have to walk. Now, let's start measuring the distance between two edges of the walls. This is already a foot span. This is the second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we can say that the distance between the edges of two walls is 11 foot spans. So now we are going to measure the width of our indoor stadium from one edge to the other edge by using our pace. Pace means the distance between your two legs. So, to measure with pace, you have to make sure that your heels should touch the wall. So now, let's start measure the width of the indoor stadium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So we can say that the width of the indoor stadium from one edge to other edge is 28 pace.
So my dear children, you must have understood the concept of measurement which were used by the people in olden days. So now my dear children, your food span and your kitchen with your base.